Hey, what's up? It's Matthew Durian with Digital Freedom Network, and this is your daily dose of crypto. So check this out. I think this story goes back more than a year now, but certainly bears mentioning, and this Twitter post was from yesterday, September 16th, 2018, from a guy named Pomp on Twitter. He says, Argentina banned the use of Argentinian credit cards to purchase rides from Uber. Uber responded by allowing users to purchase rides with Bitcoin. No government can stop or kill Bitcoin. More companies will begin using Bitcoin to fight back against corruption. Very, very powerful stuff. And if we think back to 2008 with the Lehman Brothers corruption and the fallout of the banks, the financial collapse, that was the time when Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin, wrote the code, which was the first application on the blockchain, the birth of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created to work outside of government corruption and regulation and to work outside of the banking cartels so that it could give power back to the people, so that people would be able to transfer value to one another without having a mediator. I mean, that's the whole reason that I'm passionate and have been passionate about cryptocurrency, is because we live in a day and age with technology where we don't need to have banks anymore, and soon they will be obsolete. We will just be transferring value from one person to another without having to go through or get the approval of a bank. You know, if you look at the internet and how much negative propaganda surrounded the internet when it first came out, just like any new technology. If you just Google some articles that were around that came out back when the internet first rolled out. Now, I was a freshman in college when I first started using email, and I remember reading about how the internet would never take off, how it would never work, how email would never work. And there are a lot of similarities to Bitcoin and the blockchain, and I do think that Bitcoin and the blockchain will far surpass what the internet's done. I mean, if you look at Amazon, for example, and how nobody thought that a company that was simply selling books would someday take over brick and mortar stores. I mean, if you look at Walmart and you look at Best Buy and Toys R Us, for example, which just happened to go out of business. I mean, Amazon is going to be the first company in our lives to reach $1 trillion in revenue. That's amazing. I mean, that's something that we're going to witness in our lifetime, if not, in the next couple of months. Something that's new, like Bitcoin or the blockchain, is always going to be poo-pooed in the beginning. These banking cartels certainly do not want the competition, and so they're going to create this propaganda that spreads that you see now with Bitcoin. Stay away from it, it's scammy, it's never going to work. But if you really dig in and you do the research, you realize that this is the future, right? And it's going to far surpass what's been done with the internet. And so that's why I'm choosing to focus on learning as much as I can about it and taking the knowledge that I learn and spreading it to people like you that are watching this, that are interested, that may not know anything about it, that want to learn more, or maybe you do know about it, but you come across this video because you just want to surround yourself with like-minded people. There are not a lot of us out there yet. Bitcoin is still pretty much unknown, with the exception of 2% of the population around the world. So you're talking about 98, 97% of people that still have no idea what it is. But just because nobody knows what it is doesn't make it a scam, doesn't make it not credible. So that's why I've decided to create this channel, because I'm passionate about cryptocurrency, and I've learned that there are ways that you can generate and grow Bitcoin and create passive income streams so that you can create financial independence for yourself. I mean, essentially, Bitcoin allows you to be your own bank. And so what I'm passionate about, one of the things that I really enjoy doing is sharing that with people and helping them to create their own economy. It's completely doable, and although not a lot of people know about it, That's why I've decided to go all in and to learn as much as I can and to teach other people how to do it, because it's the future. And if you can position yourself in front of this new digital economy, this new wave that's coming, you can create generational wealth. So if you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency and how you can generate passive income, subscribe to my channel and make sure you click on the notification bell so you get alerted every time that I release new content. There's going to be links down below in the description box where you can go and learn what it is that I'm doing and what I'm sharing with people and how I'm creating passive income safely, legitimately. Click the link below, subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate you watching. See you on the next video.